Hi, this is Bob from Plugable Technologies. I know the video may be a little disconcerting because right now you're looking at a blank screen, but what I'm doing is rebooting my laptop and at the same time tapping the F2 key in order to access the BIOS of my Dell XPS 139350 laptop. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to give a quick overview of how you can access and change the Thunderbolt security settings in a Windows system. So to do so on this laptop, I'm going to expand the system configuration section and access the Thunderbolt adapter configuration screen. Now, this is how it behaves on a Dell laptop. This may be in a slightly different location or have a slightly different name on laptops from other manufacturers like HP or Lenovo. But in general, the process is the same. And what I want to focus on here is these 4 security settings. By default, a Windows system should come pre-configured to have a Thunderbolt security level set to user authorization, meaning that anytime a Thunderbolt device is connected to the system, it must be approved or authenticated before it'll work properly. And this is done via the Intel Thunderbolt software on Windows. However, you can also change this to no security, which is fairly self-explanatory, Secure Connect, which uses pre-shared keys to approve certain devices only, and something not very common in a home environment but happens in an enterprise environment from time to time, or security level Displayport only. What that means is that when that's selected, the Thunderbolt 3 port will only function as a video output port using the Displayport alternate mode video that can go through the port. So you could use a USB-C video adapter, USB-C video cable. In and of itself, not terribly exciting, but I wanted to make mention because from time to time when helping our customers, we run into issues where things aren't working as expected. And in some cases, we find that it is the security level options that have been changed and are preventing things from working as expected. So, in a brief summation, prior to the operating system booting, you can access the system BIOS on your machine to check and change, if necessary, the Thunderbolt security levels. And you can change the behavior accordingly or to your needs. Hopefully you find that helpful, and thank you for watching.